Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Teaunca, and if you like all things lifestyle, beauty, and doing things yourself, you might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So my UV light broke and I wasn't able to do my nails. I had to wear press-ons that I got from Shein. So I'm gonna just make me a little set real quick. So I'm just sizing my nails. And let me tell y'all how my daughter, she mixed all the numbers up. So it took a little minute. But I got my sizes down and I wrote them down for these type of nails. So the little pink thing is a new nail stand that I got from Amazon, and it came with these nails. I thought that you were supposed to like just stick it in there, put the putty on it, and then put the false nail on top of it. But then again, I think you use the white nail for like practicing acrylic. But I'm not doing that right now. I'm just making me a little set. So I'm just using my putty on the nail stand and placing the nails on it. I really don't know how I feel about this stand yet. I do like the fact that I'm able to put more putty on it, and I am pressing down pretty hard. So I'm used to this type. I feel as though it's easier to work with because you can detach it from the magnet and just work on that specific nail. So I'm going to go in and just file and shape a little tiny bit. It's really kind of hard to file on this stand. I mean, yeah, I could get the top and everything, but when it comes to the sides, it's like it won't go. But I'm gonna use it and probably just stick to my other one a little bit more. But those are the nails buffed and shaped, and I do like to just wipe it down with alcohol. So now we're going to go in with the Beetles base coat. I really do 60 seconds. So I'm going to be added in this color from Beetles. These polishes are so small and I'm still upset about it. But I do like them. Look how bright that pink is. And I only needed 2 coats. I really only needed 1, but I did go in with 2 thin layers. Now I'm just going in with the 4th layer of the nude and curing for 60 seconds. Okay, so now on to the design. I knew I wanted something simple, something shiny, as always. So I decided to just go with this little line design. And these brushes, I looked on so many tutorials to see how to do line designs, how to hold the brush, how to work the brush. And they say to use this long brush and it makes it easier. And it really does. The brush literally makes the line for you. And yeah, I messed up. So I just take some alcohol. And here I'm just literally freestyling, placing the stones where I feel as though they're going to be cute. And I'm just going to do 2 nails on each hands with 4 stones and 1 single stone or a little diamond on the remainder of the nails. Alright, so right here, y'all gonna see me placing the stones where I'm placing them. And it's gonna look like an anchor to me. So I'm just pushing them inward and I feel like it looks better. Like, look at that. It's so cute. And y'all see I just put the extra stones on the other nails. And I'm just gonna go in with the top coat and cure for 99 seconds. My UV light, just like the last one, have the 99-second feature. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish out with that. She's cute. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.